Hello everyone, it's great to have you all tuned in. I love a good old Indian chai, but ever since I've discovered matcha green tea thanks to Starbucks, it's been my favorite go-to tea time drink. A lot of people confuse this with the regular green tea, but it's nowhere close. With matcha, we are actually ingesting a whole green leaf tea in its powdered form, whereas a regular green tea is just steeped in hot water. It's extremely rich in antioxidants and it also has a caffeine level that's just enough for our body. They come in culinary grade and a ceremonial grade and a few grades in between like that of any tea. But the culinary grade is one with a lesser price point and has a very earthy, robust flavor to it, whereas your ceremonial grade is the highest grade and tends to have a sweetish flavor to it. In today's video, I will show you how I use this green tea powder to make a few beverages that I really enjoy. So if you want to learn how to make these, jump on in and let's get rolling. To begin with, add a teaspoon of matcha powder into a bowl. You can also sift it to break any clumps and make it a frothier drink. I use a superior culinary matcha, which is what is widely used. Then add an ounce or two of hot water. You just have to make sure that the water is not boiling hot here. Now whisk this in a zigzag motion until it creates a frothy paste. The tools that I'm using here are the traditional ones used in matcha making. You actually really don't need these fancy tools at all. A good old spoon and fork will do. Now transfer this pasty mixture into a cup. Add some honey or sugar to bring in the sweetness. Then pour some hot water, about 4 to 6 ounces, into it. Lastly, add the desired amount of milk. I love using almond milk, but feel free to use whatever you have at home. That's about it. This hot latte is ready to be enjoyed. You can of course have this without the milk as well, but with it is my personal preference. For this, you will need a teaspoon of matcha. Add an ounce or two of water and whisk it just like so until a froth is formed. Then add in a drop or two of vanilla essence and a sweetener of your choice. I am a stevia person. Now add your favorite milk. I'm using almond milk here and you can use whatever you have, and then mix it all together. You can even use a blender to do this to make it a frothier, drink. Now pour this mixture into a glass filled with ice cubes. That's it, it's time to sip on a great healthy summer drink. If you like your alcoholic Moscow Mule, then this is a healthy non-alcoholic version. Add about 1.5 to 2 teaspoons of matcha tea to a bowl. To this, add some cold water and mix it really well. Wait until it turns frothy because this step ensures there are no lumps and it's a standard across all beverages like you saw. You can of course replace water with vodka to go the traditional Moscow Mule route. Now crush a few mint leaves and add it into a mug of your choice. Squeeze in the juice of half a lime into it. Then add honey or a sweetener of your choice, or you can leave it unsweetened as well. Now add some ice cubes into the mug. Pour the matcha mix over and then add about 4 ounces of ginger beer, which is again my personal preference, or you can just use regular soda as well. Garnish it with some lime and mint for some refreshing mocktail or cocktail. There are so many different ways to use matcha, and these are my go-to ones for a beverage. Matcha definitely gives me the right amount of caffeine boost required to run my daily marathons without feeling the spike and descent in energy levels like that of a regular caffeine drink. This flavorful ancient tea has definitely gained its popularity in the modern world. I hope you get to try these beverages at home, and I will also link my favorite green tea in the description box below for you guys. Also, if you're a matcha fan like I am, let me know how you use your matcha green tea in your favorite recipes. I would definitely love to learn. Thank you all so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please do not forget to hit the like button. It would definitely mean a lot. And if you're new here, please do take a minute to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, stay happy, stay healthy, and stay blessed. Bye-bye.